Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok you're falling too fast. Well, this is not a common problem, but if you guys are facing this problem, then it's pretty easy to fix it. So yeah, before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So be sure to do that and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start the video. So TikTok you're falling too fast problem basically occurs like when you're following like 300 person a day. So like following 300 people in a day is basically inhuman. So TikTok algorithm basically thinks you're a bot, because like who follows 300 people in a day? So basically TikTok algorithm is gonna think you're a bot and it's gonna show you you're falling too fast. So let's say I just follow this person, scroll, follow this person, scroll, follow this person, scroll, this person, scroll. I do this, and let's say I follow 100 people in like within 10 minutes, then TikTok is gonna say you're falling too fast. So it's basically gonna temporarily disable my following for like an hour or for a maximum a day if it is my first time. So like if it is my first time, it might disable for an hour or a day, and after that it's gonna remove this and we can again follow people. Now remember, if I do it again, then each time they freeze my following, it's gonna increase every time. So the first time it might be an hour, the second time it might be 2 hour, the third time it might be 6 hour, and if I do it again and again and again, then TikTok is gonna send me a warning. And if I do it again, then my account is banned, because TikTok thinks I'm a bot and I'm like doing inhuman activity. Like if I like follow a lot of people, then TikTok might think this person might do a follow for follow, or like try to increase the person's following. So TikTok might think that and they will disable my following. So that's like the basic gist behind it. Just wait for an hour if it is your first time, and after an hour it's gonna lift it. And if you are doing this for multiple times, then I just told you it's gonna increase every single time they freeze it. So yeah, hopefully you guys might know how you guys can fix this problem. It's called waiting. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day.